This video is presented by Expel by Windshield. We are going to share about how to choose a trusted window film brand. Bad window film problems will only show after years, such as bubbling, faded, discoloration, cracking, and peel out, which costs you more money and time. For example, when you first buy your new car, planning for a window film for your car, doing a research online, sending in inquiries, and eventually visits the shop. You may experience variety claims that they are made in USA, OEM, or even 10 years warranty. They do not even disclose their manufacturer address. These are the techniques used by sales consultants to close a deal instantly by using high RF film in a demo and even give attractive price offer. After 3 months, many of us experience the window film performance drop, such as heat rejection deteriorate, color fading, bubbling, and less clarity. Then you wonder in confusion what is the problem. So, we are here to help. In this part of the video, we are going to share with you on how to choose a trusted window film brand. Check in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Go to Google search. Verify an authorized distributor. Click and visit your window film official website. At the top right of the web page, click on the installer locator. Then select Malaysia. The authorized Malaysia distributor web address will appear in the US official website. Click into Malaysia authorized distributor website. Select Contact Us, and you can look for Malaysia certified dealer. Step 2. Find the headquarters location. Go to Google Map. And search your window film manufacturer. You can locate a genuine US manufacturer in Google Map. Step 3. Consists of well-established international platform. Facebook, Instagram, website, and even YouTube. In conclusion, it is important of choosing an authorized window film distributor with brand guarantee, provides high quality products and value to customers. A verified authorized window film distributor in Malaysia. A few points to consider on choosing yourself a window film. First, verify a window film headquarters location. Second, verify a window film official website that includes an authorized distributor address. Third, verify brand authentication with authorized distributor certificate. Thank you for watching our educational video on how to select a trusted window film brand. Stay tuned on our next video on how to select a genuine Expel products.